Hello, you're welcome to Fininvest Niger. My name is Tom Princeville. I'm a certified securities and investment support specialist, and I've been investing in the Nigerian market for the past 2 decades. And in the course of this video presentation, I would like to discuss the fundamental analysis of TIP, the Initiates 2025 audited result. This the final audited result, and I would like to carry out the analysis to determine precisely whether this company could be a better fit or a candidate for our portfolio or not. Before then, I would like to introduce to you my portfolio management service. The service is designed for both new and existing investors. You are facing difficulties with your investments. You don't know precisely what company to pick or what not to pick. So I'll come in here to recommend stocks for you and also rebalance your portfolio as the case may be, and also as well as carry out a general management of the portfolio with the very sole aim of generating a larger than normal returns on investments at the end of the year. So you are finding it difficult investing, you are facing challenges, please you could contact me on this line so I can come in and use my little skill and little knowledge and little experience to assist you, in your investment journey. So you will not get discouraged actually, because every mistake you make will cost you money. So let's try to avoid the mistakes I made when I started newly. That's the essence of this particular service. You could call me if you are interested. Let's go to our analysis proper. So we discover that this is the audited results, as I told us earlier, and we discover that the result here is simply wonderful. In summary, it's quite remarkable. Okay, and so the revenue here, there was an increase in revenue to the tune of 150.86%. That was the increase in revenue. It more than doubled, all right, from 4.663 billion naira to 11.699 billion naira. You could observe this level of increase from 4.663 billion to 11.699 billion naira, amounting to an increase of about 151%, approximately. Now, for the company's gross profit, the gross profit here increased by, 145.53%, 145.53%, from 2.510 billion to 6.162 billion naira in the year 2025. Okay, so we now come down to the company's profit before tax. The company was able to generate, a before tax profit of 2.052 billion naira, 2.052 billion naira, as against 5.072 billion naira in the year 2025, giving us a percentage increase of 147.10%. 147.10%. The company equally more than doubled its profit before tax. Then for the profit after tax, you could also observe that there was an increase of 150.23%, 150.23%, from 1.380 billion naira to 3.388 billion naira. To 3.388 billion naira. We now come to the company's total comprehensive income. So the Initiates was able to generate a total comprehensive income of 1.38 billion naira in the year 2024, compared to 3.369 billion naira in the year 2025. All right, amounting to 144.06%, 144.06%. We now come to the most important entry or parameter in the entire table here, and that's the earnings per share. This is what governs, the rate of future growth in share price as well as the dividend payouts. All right, it is the earnings per share. So in this particular area, the earning per share grew from 1 naira 55 kobo in the year 2024 to 3 naira 81 kobo in the year 2025. All right, amounting to a percentage increase of 145.81%. 145.81%. All right, that's quite encouraging. Okay, so for the share price itself, this is the current share price, 19 naira, is the current share price, and the share price as at 2024 was 2 naira 52 kobo. Okay, this gives us an increase of 653.97% in share price. That means assuming you invested 2.52 million naira in this company in 2024, that will give you 19 million naira currently, from 2.52 million naira to 19 million naira currently. Look at the huge increase, in the total returns on investments on this particular company. Please, you help me subscribe to this channel. All right, subscribe to this channel, and also assist me share this video to people in your community. I want to reach out to at least 1 million Nigerians home and abroad with this particular message on investing in companies in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. All right, and not only that, please also like the video. Don't just watch, like the video, share, and subscribe. All right, so I'm depending on your help, assistance in this regard. So we are through with this aspect of our analysis. We are through with the uh, the profit and loss statements. We now want to go to the balance sheet as well as the cash flow statements. All right, so discover that the company has a share outstanding of 890 million. That's the shares outstanding, 890 million. And the market capitalization is 16.91 billion naira. So you obtain that by multiplying the company's share price, current share price, which is 19 naira, by this particular figure, and I will give you 16.91 billion naira. So this is the company's market capitalization. It's telling you that if you have about 16 billion or 17 billion, you could buy the whole of the Initiates. It's a waste management company. You could buy the whole company if you have this level of capital. All right, and it's as well tell you how expensive, how big or small the company is, how big or how small the company is. That is the role of the market capitalization here. Then for the equity here, the equity or the shareholder value, this particular entry, is obtained by subtracting the company's total liabilities from its total assets. So the figure there is 5.75 billion naira, and that is the equity of the shareholders and fund. So the company has a strong balance sheet from what we can see here. And not only that, the equity per share is simply the result of the division of the equity by the shares outstanding. So in this case, it is 6 naira, 46 kobo. This represents the company's book value. So the book value here on its own is not really telling us much. It is here for comparison purpose. You compare this with the share price. In a case where the share price is lower than the book value or equity per share, that company is considered very cheap. So people who are into net investing strategy, they buy companies whose share price, a company whose share price is lower than the book value. So in our own case here, this company is not a suitable candidate for net investing because the share price is clearly higher than the book value or the equity per share. Then for the cash position here, the free cash flow, the company has a cash at hand, cash in the bank, and a cash equivalent of 2.54 billion naira. That's the company's cash position, is 2.54 billion naira. So you can undertake, emergency, project involving cash without having to borrow, at an expensive rate from financial institutions. Okay, and so for the PE ratio here, that's a simple division of the price of the company, which is 19 naira, by the earnings, which is 3 naira 81 kobo. Now will give you 4.99. So this company is really, really cheap. I'm telling you, very cheap. I mean, you are buying 1 naira equivalent of the company's earning for as low as approximately 5 naira. So the company is very cheap. It is in the middle single digit, number. So you are buying an item worth 1 naira for 5 naira. So it's not very expensive. So the PE ratio as at 2014, 24 rather, was 1.63. It has slightly gone up to about 5 naira here. So the company is cheap. And when it comes to my recommendation, though the entire exercise here is for academic purpose, it's for entertainment, but I wouldn't want to live without, making a recommendation. All right, as it relates to this company. Now take a look at this particular column. Okay, look at the revenue. All right, it doubled, more than doubled. Look at the gross profit, more than doubled. Look at the profit before tax, more than doubled. Look at the profit after tax, more than doubled. Look at the total comprehensive income, more than doubled. You know, look at the earnings per share, more than doubled, and look at the overall returns on investments. All right, over 600%. That means if you invest a 1 million naira, you will get around 700,000. No, more than 700,000. If you invest 2.52 million naira, you are going to get 19 million. So the company is has done very well in all parameters. Okay, so you can make it a part of your portfolio if you so desire, a tiny part of your portfolio, because of the company's outstanding performance. The Initiates is a very good company. Okay, so if you want other recommendation, please call me on this line. Let me see how I can come in and help you with other good companies. I could recommend them for you, help you manage your portfolio, and as well as rebalance your portfolio as the case may be. Give you the support, the hand holding, the direction, and on what you will need to be able to get a bigger return on investments, on your portfolio at the end of the year. So thank you very much for watching. Please, I will solicit you watch other videos in my channel as well, so as to broaden your horizon about investing, because the more you know, of course, the more you are going to earn when it comes to investment returns.